I'm Sage from the University of Toronto. How's everyone today? So I'd like to take this opportunity to let you know a little bit about Canada's #1 university, the University of Toronto. We are a very famous university and a top-ranked university. Not only are we #1 in Canada, but we're also currently 21st in the world. So we have a fantastic environment for you to study at. We offer over 700 undergraduate programs across 3 campuses, and all of them are fantastic. We are based in Toronto, which is considered one of the most international communities in the entire world. Just to give you an example, did you know we speak over 140 languages in Toronto? At the University of Toronto, we are also Canada's largest university with over 80,000 students. But don't worry, you'll fit right in because we have over 22% international students from over 130 different countries. So if you're interested, please definitely check us out. If you are not looking at university application, we also have summer opportunities at the University of Toronto. You can check us out through our summer programs. We have summer language programs for youth as well as adults, as well as pre-university programs available for high school students who are interested in pursuing your future studies at U of T. So definitely look us up and hope to see you in Toronto.